Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How to be here. And today, as you can see, this is the messages from the GP Grameen Phone, and this is basically the messages of internet. So you can see the internet offer balance. It is already over 2 lakhs, and it is exactly 2 lakhs 37,000 MB. And if you convert it to the GB, it is over 2 lakhs gigabyte of internet. And how you can be able to get the offer? Let me tell you. Basically, you need to have the biggest package in the offers. Like if you buy 1 year of internet, then you can be able to achieve this. And most of the case, this is pretty much a solid hidden system. Like you really want to take the package which is unlimited, and then you will have to just buy some MBs. Like you'll have to buy some bunch of MBs, like over 10,000 MB, and this will have to be done within 5 days, within 5 consecutive weeks. So in that period of time, they will give you some bonuses, and those bonuses are pretty big, like over 1 lakh of MBs. So that's a huge amount of internet. So basically, by this way, you actually can be able to get the offer. And remember that this offer can be extended if you just follow the rules again. And yeah, this is the way how you can be able to get the huge amount of 2 lakhs plus megabyte internet for your GP or Grameen phone same. Hope you all enjoy the video, and yeah, that's all from today guys. If you're new, make sure you stay with the channel. See you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck and peace.
With